Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download Safari videos on iPhone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my most recent knowledge update in January 2022, Safari on iPhone lacks an integrated feature for direct video downloads. Apple imposes specific constraints to discourage users from downloading videos directly through Safari, citing reasons such as copyright protection. Nevertheless, you can still procure video downloads on your iPhone by employing third-party applications or specific websites. It is crucial to note that the utilization of third-party apps or websites may be subject to legal and ethical considerations. It is imperative to ascertain that you possess the necessary rights to download and use the content. And here's a general guide on how you might accomplish this through a third-party app or website. Commence by accessing the Safari app, and once you get there, initiate a search for your desired video that you wish to download. Tap on the selected video, and one of the prominent sites for this purpose is Pexels, known for providing high-quality videos available for free download. On this site, utilize the search bar to pinpoint videos aligned with your specific interest. Navigate to the video section and select the video you've chosen. Observe the free download option at the top right corner and tap on it. Subsequently, press download now. Access the download icon located at the bottom left. Then tap on downloads. Select the video. Tap the share button at the bottom left corner, and from the available options, choose save video. Verify the success of the download by navigating to the Photos app. As you can see, the video has been successfully downloaded. Exercise caution when utilizing third-party apps or websites. Ensuring compliance with copyright laws and terms of service. Be mindful that available methods and apps may undergo changes, so it is recommended to stay informed by checking the latest options on the App Store or through online forums for updated information. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.